Agriculture is one of the biggest contributors to Uganda's economy, with about 75% of Ugandans engaged in the sector for their livelihoods. Majority of the participants, however, apply traditional farming methods, while others lack knowledge on better agricultural practices and approaches, which otherwise would lead to high returns. In the end, some of these agricultural products cannot be allowed on the international market due to questions on standards.
We know land is not going to increase as the population increases, but we need to change the way we are producing on this land. And one of the ways is the use of improved technologies that we are promoting. The reduction of drudgery when people are engaging in these activities is one of the solutions we are taking on. When you talk of the 3 cows, if this farmer's cow has been producing 2 liters, we want to encourage this farmer to take on a cow that can produce 20 liters.
Away from things like the use of technology, farmers have been advised to consider other factors like quality of seeds, the use of fertilizers and chemicals, among others. Pre-planting soil sampling is also among the factors that can affect productivity.
That regenerative agriculture is critical. That going back to the basics of understanding why is it that we believe soil, is relevant for us to rethink the way we handle our soil. Why is it that it's necessary to go back and appreciate that there is a need to blend our indigenous practices with the new practices that we have adopted? What is the missing link there? What do we need to make sure that we bridge, that we will address the challenges of soil? The soil health continues to be a burden to everybody.
So we encourage the use of fertilizers within the soils. But now we have gone for regenerative agriculture, where we are encouraging farmers to produce compost. They are able to compost. We are working with Vermipro to use some of their products. These are all what we call the organic products. So we have a whole pillar in charge regenerative agriculture.
Sasakawa Africa has now embarked on improving agriculture in many parts of Uganda. The organization, which operates in 71 districts across the country, puts emphasis on women and youth. These are provided with machines, startup capital, among other interventions. They believe farmers can have a high purchasing power by producing of high quality products.
And after we improve the production per unit area, they have access to assured market. We start with the market and we end with the market. We normally do a market survey in collaboration with JICA. We are using an approach called SHAPE, smallholder horticulture and enhancement approach. This approach basically is grow to sell, not grow and sell. That means all what we are telling our farmers to grow, we have already opened the market.
The emphasis has been on small farmers who operate an acre of land. They are asking the government to improve agricultural extension services to the people, especially in rural areas.